Gising na yan.
So funny.
Keep going!
Asar talo yung baboy.
Kulit na ostrich.
But it's funny.
It's funny, right?
No,
Kinakain.
kulit.
Ew. Maybe it's a barber. Or a hairstylist, Mimi. What do you think? Ah, ito pa. May isa pa, oh.
Baboy, tingnan mo.
Kalbo na siya.
Hirap gumalaw ko. Oh,
Wow! Hi! Look at that fat making sound. Daddy, kinakalbo. Tingnan mo yung ibabaw lang yung tanggay mo. Free haircut.
Tingnan talaga yung balahibo. Tingnan mo.
Oo, free
Like this
haircut.
sneeze.
It's sneezing.
Ang dami ng
Ano kaya mananabunot siguro to pagka nakuha niya yung hair ko, no? There's another fat thing here. So funny.
Maingay dyan, baboy. Nagtatakam yung lion sa'yo.
The ostrich is coming! Ay, siya na naman!
Haircut.
Trim muna.
Tayo.
Oh, poop!
Oh!
God! Oh! Oh my God!
Oh, may bigigit ka na, Mimi, ah!
You're so funny, you know.
Hey, which of you are getting the hair?
Nakuhanan mo yun.
Oo. So
So,
funny.
I think you are the one. Mami, kinukuha naman niya yung hair!
Hair? Free food eh, no, Dad?
Hindi mo tuloy alam kung sino yung baboy.
Oh, it's coming! It's coming!
Move back!
Ostrich ka, hindi ka baboy.
Kadiri ka, tapos bibigyan ka namin ng food sa mouth, ah. So cute.
Ganda nun, oh. Yung lamb.
So
Mimi, Mimi, Mimi.
Have you seen the baby?
There's a baby goat there.
Picture lang kita dito pa tayo mga